All right, for this activity, special right triangles activity, it says draw two right isosceles triangles of different sizes. We'll just go through one of them. So let's draw that. It's a right triangle and it's isosceles, so at least two sides are the same. So we would have something like this. Okay, and these side lengths would have to be the same since the hypotenuse must be longer than both of them. So it says label the hypotenuse C. There we go. And label the other two sides as A and B. So let's label this as A and B. And it says determine all of the angle measures. Well, we know that this one has to be 90 degrees. The whole triangle sums to 180 degrees, all three angles. That means these two have to be 90. They will be the same because these two sides, there's a base angle theorem, so these opposite sides or angles must be the same. So it would be 45 degrees. Okay, and it says make up a side length value for side A. Okay, so let's just say it's equal to 3. Okay, determine the value of B. Well, it must be the same as A. Determine the side length of C to, as an exact value and to 3 significant figures. So that would be, we can use Pythagorean theorem. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So that is 3 squared plus 3 squared equals C squared. And that's 18 equals C squared, or C squared equals 18. And therefore C would be the square root of 18. Now it says that's an exact value, so that is an exact value. We can also simplify that radical because it's the square root of 9 times the square root of 2, which is just 3 times the square root of 2. Okay, and for 3 significant figures, we'll actually just go straight to this file to do that, to the spreadsheet. So just before we go to the spreadsheet, it says determine the ratios between all the sides. So like A over B, B over A over C, and so on. Okay, so let's just pull up the sheet now. And this is what we have. So let's fill in the numbers for our first triangle. That's 3, 3. And for this, we can just write square root of 3 times 2. Okay, so that should be what it is. And A divided by B. Okay, so notice that we want to pull up this number here, which is in column C and row 2. So we can write that as C2 divided by D2. Okay, so that's this divided by this. It's 1. We can also do it this way. So B divided by A is D2 divided by C2. Okay, and so that's one way of doing it. Another easy way is we write that equal sign. We want A, the value of A, which is this. So you can just actually click that cell and it automatically comes up over here. Then divided by, we want to click on this value of C, so just like that. And there we go. And then C divided by A, once again we can do this, divided by, click on this cell, and that's that. B divided by C, B, which is this one, divided by C, and C divided by B. C divided by B. Okay. So something seems a little off here just looking really quickly. And what we can tell is actually these numbers are reversed. So square root of 2, my apologies, times 3. That's what it should be. I just reversed those there. Okay, and all these automatically changed. So that's good. So you can see these answers match up with some of the other answers below here. Now it says to 3 significant figures, so hopefully you just know that what that means. In this case up here, it would be 4.24. I'll just write it below for now. Okay, and for this one it would be 0.707 and 1.41 and so on. Okay, so that's that.